Hey, it's Misha from Adsmith. We're a marketing learning machine which automates creative decisions, runs infinite experiments, and optimizes based on performance. We get 3 times better ROAS for our customers because we take 1,000 times more shots on goal and automatically learn from the results. Today's demo is for a pet food brand. So this brand is called PupFuel. We know a couple things about the company from an onboarding. Then we get into the offering. This one is for a plant-powered protein kibble. And so we get a couple things about the offering, key selling points, problems it solves, any targeting boundaries, picture of the product, just a couple things we need to know. These always go into a briefing that are taken into account every time we generate something. So we never forget, never off brand. Then we pick an audience. So this is just narrowing down your location and your language to get sort of the universe of people that we might even be talking to here. I picked Antigua for one. Every time I pick a different country to show you the different localization that automatically happens. Then we get to persona. So with the audience, we say, here's the world of people. Now, persona, it's like, here's the specific type of people. We always start with a general population persona. That's like a control group, to see what generally works. But we can generate as many of these custom personas as you want to just try the way you're going to speak to someone who's an amateur chef is different than a surfing enthusiast. And the language you use, the imagery you're going to use to stop the scroll is just going to be different. With AI marketing, now we can do so many more niche things that would have never been possible before, which in aggregate make up everybody. But we're going to stick with general population for this one. Then we get to the story. And so for this one, every ad tells a story. We start with the visual element. So for this one, we picked animals and places. And that's going to make the AI think about, okay, every time we generate a batch of images, going to have animals in it. It's going to be different kinds of places. Great. And you let it be creative. We also have these custom elements. I'll show you that in the next demo. Pretty cool. You can take whatever element you want and actually put it in the visuals itself. For the narrative, oftentimes we do a before, during, or after story. There's different ads work for different purposes. Here we're doing an after story. So after your pet has experienced this product, they're doing great. And that's the kind of story we want to tell. Guidance, you can give some stage directions here. So this one I just said animals in different places, full of energy. And we'll see what happens there. Creativity, we have a 1 to 5 slider. Again, play with that, see what comes out, see what you like, see what performs. And then style, we're going to leave it on realistic for now. We're really working on the artistic style right now. There's going to be a lot of cool ones to choose from. I'll show you that in a demo soon. So then we picked our channel. And because we picked Google, we know that we're building a Performance Max campaign. And we know that everything that we generate is automatically built for that channel. So all of the keywords are exactly the right format. We have the right number. All of the captions, the text that goes along with it, it's the right number with the right character count. Everything is formatted for you. You don't need to worry about it. They're all pretty credible. It's mostly about taking shots on goal, see what works, automatically learn. Then we get to the images. So I've already gone through some here, you can see. And again, remember, this is, remember the guidance I gave it. Remember, it's located in Antigua. All of these things are meant to fit exactly the scenario that you gave so that it has a better chance of catching someone's attention and stopping the scroll. We can do up to 20 for a Performance Max campaign. When we say, like, is this one going to perform better than this one? Statistically, one of them is going to do better than the other. And our system is aimed at figuring out which those are. So let's see, I think we're going to get to our 20. Right. Okay. So now we actually want to put it to Google Ads. We're going to get to our Adsmith demo account, to our Adsmith demo campaign, and then we're going to create this asset group. So while that's happening, we're going to go over here. We're going to see that for this Adsmith demo campaign, we have 12 current asset groups. And so as soon as it's done creating, I will go back there, refresh, and you will see this new one. Okay, asset group is created. So now we're going to go back here. We're going to refresh. And here we are in the asset group in Google Ads. So the URL, all the headlines we created, the captions, all the images we made. You can really see here, you can toggle through the way that these different ads are going to show up on Google, all the different formats, all the different placements, different aspect ratios. We really handle all of that. So that's an example of Adsmith applied to a pet food use case.